Today we're going to learn how to knit the dot stitch. As you can see, it is very similar to stockinette with just these little dots on the right side. On the wrong side, it looks very much like reverse stockinette. So you can see all the purl bumps on the back like that. It's a very simple stitch. There's only a 4-row repeat, and the repeat itself is very similar to rows 1 and 3 are very similar to themselves, and rows 2 and 4 are identical. So as you can see, it's a very simple stitch. It's very stretchy. It lies flat. It is knit in a multiple of 4 plus 3. So for the sample, I cast on 31 stitches to get to my 6 inches. This sample that I'm going to be working on today is a multiple again of 4 plus 3. So I've cast on 19 stitches, and we start with a knit one. And then we do a purl one. And then a knit 3. 1, 2, 3. And you do that purl 1, knit 3 across to the last 2 stitches. So it's a purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, and this is really the most complicated part of this pattern, really. Purl 1, knit 3, and then you're to the last 2 stitches where you end with a purl 1 and a knit 1. You're done with that. You turn your work, and this whole row for row 2 and for row 4 is purl. So you're just going to purl every stitch. The reason I like this stitch is because it is very simple, but it gives you kind of a little bit of a different look from just plain stockinette or even seed stitch, which has more stockinette to it than seed stitch, but it's more interesting than just stockinette. So that's why I like this stitch in particular. I think it's really nice. And it gives you like a really nice stretchy fabric too. So we're just purling all the stitches to the end. And then on the next row, row 3, we are going to stagger the dots a little bit. So instead of starting knit 1, purl 1, knit 3, we are going to be knitting 3 first, then purling 1. So it's still 3 knit stitches to every purl stitch, but slightly different pattern. So like I said, we're going to start with a knit 3. One, 2, 3, purl 1, and you're going to do this to the last 3 stitches. 2, 3, purl 1, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Just do that all the way across. To our last 3 stitches, and we are going to knit those stitches. 2, 3. And that is all there is to it. Row 4 is just another purl row, which you guys already know how to do. So I'm not going to demonstrate that again. But here we go. We've got the beginnings of a little dot stitch. That's it.